Tumaba na. 3, 2. Nice pass. Captain Anton, who's already 37. 35. Armilla. Kumo-convince na talaga. 2 points. Last, the point guard. To Montealegre. Paliga. So, Saratadre. Shot clock. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Shot clock 6. Good for 2 points. Palay. Caradilla. Dribble. Caradilla. Good for 2 points. Caradilla. Belen. Tublas. Patay na dyan. And shot clock. Pablico. 3 points. Sinipit. Clock 5. 4. 2. Wala lang. Sige na. Mapano? Wala pa rin. Good. Angela. Tublas. Last time shot clock. Nice pass. Good. Time out. Tublas. To Hargelet. Titira na naman. Wala. So, Montealegre, shot clock. 10. To Hawk. Gandang duhot. 2 points.
Lapit ko nga, mapisto. Iwas shot lang.
Sanson. Good for 2 points. Belen. Tupala, nice pass. Good for 2 points. Balik po sa 10 ang... To Saratadre. Good for 2 points. And second shot clock. Tumira. Rebound by Hawk. Good for 2 points.
Welcome to my channel. Before we start, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on my latest uploads. Let's start.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Basketballers.
Berian and last.
Hirap na bulabulin.
Salasandra. Bumibel. Short. Given by Hargelet. Hargelet ngayon. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Allmore. Salatandre ngayon. To Berian. To Salatandre. To Sanson. Titira ba? Wala. Rebound by Berian. Good. For 2 points. Berian. Hargelet. Rebound by Minel. Pablico. To Berian. Rebound by Yao. Hargelet. To Palay. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 25. Palay. Score 0-2. Sanson. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Yao. To Belen. Belen ngayon. Dire-diretso wala. Rebound by Hargelet. 2 points. Hargelet. Saratandre. To Pablico. Wala. Rebound by Liao. To Belen. Belen ngayon. Iwan. Rebound by Minel. Saladandre. Good for 2 points. Panis. Harjile. To Palay. Good for 2 points. Palay. 6-1 in favor of Thunder. Wala. Nakakaroon ka na. Harjile. Harjile ngayon. Pakalabahin. Wala. Rebound by Midel to Publico. To Saladandre. Block. Panis. Shot clock 16. To Midel. To Saladandre. Rebound by Palay. To Arjule. Arjule. Pinasa kay Bilin. Wala. Rebound by Palawit. Rebound by Sanzon. To Midel. Steal by Arjule. To Liao. To Bilin. Good for 2 points. Bilin. Berian. To Midel. To Publico. Then shot clock 7, 5, 4, 3. Harjile. 3. Harjile. 11-4 in favor of Thunders. Sanson. To Saladandre. To Publico. To Saladandre. Airball. Easy 2 points. Time out na po. Time out. Sanson. To Saladandre. To Berian. Block. Bile. Wow. Who's power? To Liao. To Palay. Rebound by Bile. Foul. Who's foul? Bile. 12 shot clock. Palay. 10. Liao. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 18. Liao. Publico. Nag-click. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Bile. To Sanson. Good for 2 points. Stop. 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Score 15-6. Rebound by Palay. To Harjile. Steal by Saladandre. Steal by Bile. To Liao. To Harjile. Nice fake. Good for 2 points. Harjile. 1 minute. Midel, wala. Liao, still by Liao to Harjile. Good for 2 points. Score 19-6. It's last 35. Rebound by Black to Harjile. 2 points. Harjile. Last 25. Score of Thunders. Last 15. Still left by Harjile. Kaya na. Kaya. 10. Wala. Rebound by Publico. Last 5. Buzzer only. 4, 2, 1. Kinsilang Thunders. Jersey to Mabano. Montelegre. To Blas. To Harjile. Titira na naman. 4-6. Mabano. Wala. Rebound by Blas. Laki. To Liao. To Feliboy. Harjile. To Montelegre. To Kuya Blas. Titira ba? Wala. To Montealegre, shot clock. 10. To Hawk. Gandang durot. 2 points. Ang Thunders. 26. Good. 2 points. Papano. Assisted by Montealegre. Foul. Who's ball rep? Montealegre. 14 shot clock. 8 shot clock. Foul. Who's foul rep? 3. Personal foul. Second team foul. First free throw by Hargelet. Good. For 2 points. Hargelet. Points, Hargelet. Foul. Who's fouled it? Jace. 14 shot clock. Haranilla. Dribble. Haranilla. Good. For 2 points. Haranilla. To Blas. To Hargelet. Wala. Rebound by Mapano. To Molo. Molo ngayon. To Mapano. To Haranilla. Wala. Rebound by Hawk. Haba. Hawk ngayon. To Liao. 10 seconds shot clock. Tumira. Rebound by Hawk. Good! 20 points! Hawk. Score natin 29-10. Molo, wala. Rebound by Mapano, wala pa rin. Rebound by Hargelet. Score natin 30-10. Last 10 shot clock. 8 6. To Mapano. Good. 42 points. Mapano. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Hargelet. Last 12 shot clock. Okay. Bola. Jump ball. Molo. To Onda. To Mapano. Rebound by Mapano. Block! Rebound by Vasquez. Rebound by Mapano. To Haranilla. Wala. Rebound by Hawk. Montealegre. 10 8 6 4 2. Good. 4 to 4. Haranilla. To Mapano. 32-15 po. To Hargelet. To Hawk. Rebound by Liao. To Hawk. To Blas. The sharpshooter. Wala. Haranilla. Last 2 minutes. Mapano. To Molo. Tinira ba? Pass to Onda. To Haranilla. Rebound by Liao. Second. 10 shot clock. To Hargelet. Last 5-second shot clock. 3 2. Mapano. Good. 42 points. Mapano. Score 32-17. Good. 42 points. Vasquez. Thunders. Hawk. Blas. To Hargelet. shot clock. 3 seconds. By Thunders. To Onda. Last 37. 35. Aranilla. Kumukonvince ka talaga. 2 points. Aranilla. Seconds. No more shot clock. Last 15. 12. 10. 8. 4. Good. 4 points. Thunder. 1. Saladadre. Drop to Mendel. Sumabano. To Saladadre. To Sanson. Wala. Rebound by Palaw. Palaw ngayon. Kaya ba? Good! 4 points. Palaw. Palay. Wala. To Berian. To Mapano. Good for 3 points. 22. 10 shot clock. Steal. Dahil mo din. Last 6 minutes. Berian. To Mapano. Rebound by Palay. To Belen. Yao. To Belen. To Palay. Rabiling violation.
Lapit ko nga, mapisto. Iwas check lang.
Sanson. Good for 2 points. To Yao. To Montenegro. To Archulet. 3. Saladadre. 3 points. Montenegro. Last 40 shot clock. To Palay. All board. Mapano. Good for 2 points. Time out na po. Time. Good. Mapano. Counted. And gone. Who's scored? Rebound by Blas. Wala po ang bonus. Belen. To Blas. Patay na dyan. To Kuya Manman. Good. For 2 points. Manman. Sa ng Thunders. To Arjelen. Tumamas pa. 10 shot clock. To Palay. Rebound by Belen. To Hansilen, patay ka dyan. Good! Bola. Rebound by... So, Thunder. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Rebound by... Wala nagtalon. Rebound by Belen. To Hansilen. Hansilen yan. Bulldozer. Wala. To kay Wendell. To Bidel. To Kuya Berian. Foul! Good for 1 point. Sa Pinay ang pangalawa. First, 8. Belen. To Palay, nice pass. Good for 2 points. Balik po sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Thunders. Bilen. Alisot. Steal ba yung mapano? Pagbilian. Huli! Tubalay. Wala. Sanadandre. Good. 4-10. Po, ang kalaman. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Shot clock 6. Good for 2 points. Palay. To Mapano. To Sanatandre. Floater. Wala. Rebound by Liao. And Tito. To Harjila. To Blas. To Palay. To Montalegre. Napaganda pa. To Liao. Fake. Last 8. Shot clock. Bounce. 1 minute. Shot clock 14. To Blas. To Palay. To Montalegre. Last 8. Shot clock. To Liao. To Mina. Rebound pa rin. Nakahuli ka. Nakahuli ka ngayon. Wala. Rebound by Agrepa. Rebound by Miguel. Last 20. Foul. About third team foul. First free throw ni Mr. Agrepa. Second free throw. Makakompleto ba ang second free throw ni Mr. Agrepa? Good for 2 points, Mr. Agrepa. 15. 12. 8. 7. Pablo. 4. 3. End of the third quarter. Score 46-41. 5 na lang po ang naabol ng siksikan. Rebound by dive kayo to Willen. To Jerry. Steal ball ko around. To Harjelen. Alma lang daw. Wala. Binabantay siya ni Mr. Amigo. To Liao. To Harjelen. Spin. To ganda ng pasa. Wala lang. Sinira. Mapano? Wala pa rin. Good for 2 points. Harjelen. Rebound by Vasquez. To Pablo. To Harjelen. Mardillo. Mapano? 3 points. Harjelen. 12 shot clock. To Harjelen. Wow! Those foul up. First free throw by Kelly Boy. Good for 1 point. Oliver Harjelen. By Mr. Harjelen. Good for 2 points. Harjelen. Lamang. Ang Depa. Tuwarin nila. Ang Depa. To Vasquez. Nabitawan. 10 shot clock. Pablico. 3 points. Sinipit. Nabulit ng isang siksikan. Last. To Hawk. Wala. Tumabana. So, Jers. Wow! What a pass! Steal. Mabano. Wala. Rebound by Hong. Pumunta Alegre. Sayaw. Good! For 2 points. Monte Alegre. Lamang po. Score 50-49. Last 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Tumba. Aldema. Rebound by Aldema pa rin. Good! Last. Rebound by Liao. Hits. Angela. To blast. Last time shot clock. Nice pass. Good. Time out. Mapano? Wala. Iban by Vidal. Wow. First free throw by Mr. Boom Boom Vidal. Good. For 1. Dalawa pa rin po ang lamang ng Thunders. Good. 4-2 po. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Thunders. 52-51. Last, the point guard. To Monte Alegre. 3 points. Good lang po. 3:55. Hindi pa. Dalawa lang po ang lamang ng Thunders. Steal by Kuya Blas. What a hustle player by Kuya Blas. Asa? Wala. Good. Kaliga. So, sa natatay. 3! Lamang po ng isang sikat. And shot clock. Shot clock 8. Shot clock 5. 4. 2. To Vidal. Wala. Rebound by Blas. To Palay. To Liao. To Palay. Out of bounds. It's in 47 seconds. Last. Hindi ba? Joke. Last. Wow! Sipit! Good for the boys! Long ball ng siksikan! Arjelen! Mga kalabang na ba si Arjelen? Tuliao! Lamang po yung isang siksikan. Tupalay! Tuliao! Last 6 shot clock. Ano ba? Last 2 seconds shot clock. 2. Nice pass. Captain Anton, who's already jersey number 96. May pasok po ba? Sakto mong masok. Ang kasagutan dyan ay hindi po ate. Sabrek. Salatasya. Mapano? To Monte Alegre. To Mapano? Lumabas. To Sanatante. Parasing by Palay. 10 shot clock. 5. 3. Good. Po ulit ang siksikan. pala mga nasiksikan. Hahanapin pa si Arjulen. Hahanapin pa si Arjulen. Pinasa kay Montay Lengre. Arba. Mapano. So, Greenway. Wala. Rebound by Blas. Ay. To public. To public of plus 15 shot clock. 12 shot clock. 10. 7. Rebound by Santander. For 2 points. At 63-60. Steal by Mapano. Good for 2 points. Mapano. Last 30 seconds. Steal. Score 65-60 in favor of Sisigan. Last 18. 15. Last 10. 8. 7. 5. Buzzer only 3. 2. Winner of the game. Siksikan. Ang laki po ng nabal na Siksikan sa Thunders.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Basketballers.